In this video, we're going to look at how to find the gradient of this section of the graph from 15 to 25 seconds. So whenever finding the gradient, we need to do the change in the vertical divided by the change in the horizontal. And we want to draw in a large triangle for the part of the graph that we're trying to find the gradient for. And to find the change in the vertical, we need to look for the vertical, what the final value is, which is 250. So I'm going to do 250 and then subtract the starting value for the vertical, which is 100, which gives me 150. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the horizontal, where I'm going to look at the final value in the horizontal, which is 25, and subtract the starting value in the horizontal, which was 15, which gives me 10. And then I can put it into the equation, the change in the vertical, which was my 150, divided by the change in the horizontal, which was 10, which gives me 15. And to get the units, I need to do what was on the vertical, meters, divided by what was on the horizontal, which is in seconds, which gives me 15 meters per second, which will be the velocity or speed.